Happy New Year! This is my first video in year 2022. For this question, we are asked to solve the equation square root of x squared plus 2x plus 2022 minus square root of x squared plus 2x minus 2018 equals to 2. What will be the answer? May let A to be x squared plus 2x plus 2022 and B to be x squared plus 2x minus 2018. Now, it may not be a good idea to square the both sides. Observe that A minus B, the difference of this is actually equals to 4, 0, 4, 0. And the original equation is actually equals to square root of A minus square root of B equals to 2. And we know that A minus B can be factored as square root of A plus square root of B times square root of A minus square root of B. So we may call that the first equation as equation 1, and this is equation 2. So what we have here is equation 1 divided by equation 2, we will have square root of A plus square root of B equals to 2022. And call this as equation 3. We may add up the equation 2 and equation 3. And we will have 2 square A equals to 2022. And therefore, A is equals to 1011 square. Since we know that A is a quadratic equation, then with this, x squared plus 2x plus 2022 equals to 1011 square. Is x squared plus 2x plus 2022 minus 1011 square equals to 0. There are some common factor of these two numbers, that is 1011. We may factorize it out, and we will have x squared plus 2x plus 1011 times 2 minus 1011. 2 minus 1011 is equals to negative 1009. This that 1011 minus 1009 is equals to 2. And this suggests that we can factor it as x plus 1011 times x minus 1009 equals to 0. Or x equals to negative 1011 or x equals to 1009. Always a good habit to check back the answer. We can substitute x equals to 1011 inside the equation, and we found that it actually satisfies the equation. So x equals to negative 1011 is a solution. So does the other value of x equals to 1009. So conclusion, these two are the valid solution for the equation. Now there's another interesting observation that we can make. If we tweak a little bit, instead of minus here, we change it into plus. What will happen? So let's see. If we change the original equation as a plus here, we still can use a similar technique as A and B as such. So the equation 1 still remain the same because A minus B still is this constant 4040. But the equation 2 will be square A plus square B equals to 2. And the equation 2 will be square A minus square B equals to 2020. But it doesn't affect the value of A equals to 1011 square. Since the value of A remain the same, it will mean that the same x will be obtained. However, when you substitute x equals to negative 1011 or x equals to 1009 into this equation, none of it satisfies the equation. So it means that these are not the solution. So here come to an interesting question. What's going wrong? We do all the similar technique and get the answer, but none of it satisfies the equation. If you have any idea, leave it as a comment. Next, you may try the similar question that I propose here. Try on your own and check your answer in the description. That's all for today's. Happy New Year again, and see you another day. Bye-bye.